Jollof rice born from Senegal. Because here, only in Senegal you can have empire that we call Jollof. It was a kingdom, a big kingdom. And the first time that we call Thieboudienne, our local language Jollof rice is Thieboudienne. And Thieboudienne, it was a woman who prepared it for the first time for a king, the king of Jollof. That's why we call it Jollof rice. But the thing is, Nigerian people and Ghanaian people wanna stole it. They call it Jollof rice and they wanna say like it's coming from there. That's why our government protect it from UNESCO. Just that they know Jollof rice, the original come from Senegal, not Nigeria and Ghana.
Just so you know.
We're going to test it. We're going to test it out.
Yeah, you're gonna test today when we arrive in
Today?
the Pink Lake.
Yeah, I told him.
Official?
Yeah.
Official? It's been a long-standing debate who got the best jollof rice. Tell them the history of the jollof rice in Senegal, because we've been to Nigeria, we've been to Ghana. It started here, though, right?
Yeah. Why our jollof rice is so special from Ghana, Nigeria, and other countries? They don't have this. So spicy and very, very good. Only in Senegal. They don't have this one too. We call it food. Very spicy, and you're gonna show after you're gonna test it. Then they don't have this one too. That we call body. That is the thing with under. With rice. And also the last one with gumbo. And some piment. You're gonna see. And our special thing is this one, Dakar. This give a very good
What's
taste.
that?
It's like a tamarind.
Oh, tamarind.
Yeah. And you're gonna see how our lady is preparing that. And you're gonna see if Ghanaian and Nigerian know better how to do it.
100%. We're going to see.
ñoom ñeent la ak man ak chauffeur bi voilà. Voilà mën ngaa siiw ci ñoom ay journalistes yu mag lañ. Voilà ci jikko nii mu yaatu yaa ma gën a xam. If you come in Senegal in the Pink Lake, she is the best cooker of jollof rice in the Pink Lake, and you can test it.
Amen.
Enjoy your food, guys.
To Jollof.
So,
Pretty good.
Rice alone, good.
Yeah, it's good. With this sauce here, it's good.
Now, the sauce.
Yeah.
The sauce is the key.
Which one? This is hot sauce? Which one? Which is this?
It's like it adds a little spice to it. Yeah.
right, the hot sauce is here.
Okay.
I'm not sure what this is. It's almost like a jerk seasoning. Jerk and jollof club.
Is it the best?
I don't. It's tough. What's the best one you had?
So far, the best.
Not to offend any country, but which one's the best you have?
You know what? Because this is hitting from different. It's hitting from different angles.
Oh,
Pause. We added that.
understand.
We got the Ghanaian. What's your thoughts?
Give me a second.
Second?
I need a second.
You gotta let it marinate. You gotta really let it
Give
marinate.
me some time. Give me some time, Ty.
It's definitely different. Each country's one has been different.
This is the first one that we had that just wasn't just rice. It's everything.
It's a whole meal.
The whole
Yeah, we
meal.
got the rice. I think in Nigeria, I had the rice and then they brought me a piece of fish. This is like a whole entree.
Potato just,
Potatoes rich.
just falling off. It's almost like mash without the mash.
This sauce right here, this is the secret weapon.
Yeah, I'm over that now.
Yeah, that's a good potato. That is. I'm gonna put the sauce on the
I mean,
potato.
they came out swinging.
There's a lot of flavors here. I'm gonna keep it real with you, Alvin. There's a lot of flavors here.
I mean, they came out swinging. I get it. I get it.
They knew royalty was approaching.
I see what they're trying to do. But, you know,
Hey,
it's a strong 8 over 10.
Yo, that is.
So is it better than Ghana?
No.
I don't. This potato is elite.
Yeah.
It almost feels like it's.
The whole meal is kind of like,
It's like couscous almost.
I thought that's what this was.
Hey guys, this is the small sauce. You cook it, and you're gonna see the test.
Are they bringing the drinks?
Oh, we just
Are
put
they
it.
bringing the drinks?
Yeah. Mune Coca-Cola bi ndax ñuul ak huile.
It's an amalgamation of flavors.
It's a lot going on.
Oh no, the sauce. The sauce.
Which one?
The sauce does it.
Which one? The red? Or that?
You just have to do like this to mix. After you put, you're gonna see.
See, the thing about this is that it's a lot of different variables that go into it. It's not just the rice. I feel like Ghana was the rice with the sauce. Nigeria, I don't think they even had the sauce. We just had the rice.
Yep.
This is a full-fledged.
yeah, this is,
Yeah.
They put a little.
It's
The Nigerian one, I remember it was like almost a red color to it. I feel like they put like it made it a little bit spicy. This one has a brown color to it, but you got to add all the flavors. I haven't tried. Y'all tried this? The red piece? It's red. How was that?
Good.
like this,
Yeah.
crunchy one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Is it hot?
No, not that.
Oh, shit.
Nobody tried the fish yet.
I tried the fish.
It's all right.
Yeah, no, it's good.
All right, I'm gonna rock with it right now.
Nah, it came out swinging.
It's like a jambalaya. Almost.
Monkey bread or it is couscous.
Monkey bread.
Monkey bread is like about 3 juice.
I never.
That's the local.
The juice, yeah, I had the juice. Yeah, the juice. Yeah. We gotta have a verdict. We gotta have a verdict.
We have to who?
We have to have a verdict.
I asked you. You didn't answer.
I had to taste some more.
What you think?
Hold on, I got this.
We've now tasted them all.
It's great. It's amazing. They put too much stuff in it. But Ghana reigns supreme. I'm sorry. It's just what it is. Thank you for coming though.
I think we got a unique perspective because we've eaten each one in their respective place, right? We went to Ghana and had it. We went to Nigeria and have had it. Now we're in Senegal and we've had it.
Can we do a close-up of the actual plate? Because we gotta explain this. The major difference between Ghanaian jollof, Nigerian jollof, and Senegalese jollof is that the Ghanaian jollof and the Nigerian jollof was similar because it was just rice. This has everything: potatoes, seasoning, onions, fish. So they kind of have an unfair advantage, if I'm gonna be completely honest with you about it, because we really can't compare. It's not like it's comparing apples to oranges almost. This would win, but this isn't just purely rice. I think we got to have just the pure rice to have a full appreciation.
They are the originators.
So yeah,
This is the.
I feel them, but I would say this. I think those things are cooked in. So like the seasoning, the spices are cooked in Ghana, respectively, and cooked in Nigeria. But I think here you can do it at your own leisure. You may want to have it at a temperature spice, or you might go a little hotter with your spice. So the optionality
It's there.
is there. When you add in everything else, I may give it a slight. I think I'm gonna give it the edge. I'm gonna give this the edge.
And then when you add this is the secret weapon.
I'm gonna give this the edge.
That's the secret weapon.
Ab, you was right, my brother. You was right all along.
It's just hard for me to just compare it to just pure rice. I get it, but there's so much stuff in it. I can't say a boxer is better than a kickboxer. It's different disciplines. Like after doing some really hard soul searching on this, I'm gonna have to come to the conclusion that it's too different.
Nah, man.
Too different to rate. It's too different to rate.
Oh,
Too
man.
different to rate. I'll be honest with you. Love.
Nah, man.
Love.
Nah, man. gotta go with something, man.
Shit.
No, but that's real shit though.
It's real shit.
It's
a
food. It's
full-course
not.
meal.
It's the same
It's a
thing.
meal, but it's everything.
Yeah, but just the rice, just the jollof
It's
is.
my jollof rice right now, yeah.
It's hard.
You have another glass? Yeah.
It's hard for me to. I'm tasting carrots and potatoes and fish.
That's part of it.
Yeah, but it's just
Like,
rice.
that's what I'm saying. If each country offered you that way, right? It's about the offering. How was it offered up to you? Like, you gotta take all that into account. If I brought you jerk chicken, right? I could give you my mom's jerk chicken. You ate jerk chicken before. It's gonna be a totally. How was it offered to you? I'm gonna throw something different on there.
No, but that's different. It's still jerk chicken.
This is still jollof rice.
Jerk chicken, fucking wrapped in turkey bacon, wrapped in, like
No. The presentation's gonna be different. Like he,
Okay.
I'm saying I got it from a store for him. 2 different places. Now, if I got it from my mom, it's gonna be different, right? She might not put the flavor's gonna be different. The rice and peas might be different.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that if we do a side-by-side comparison, there has to be a strong amount of similarities for us to compare it to. You know what I'm saying? Like if we go into, okay, who has the best turkey? We gotta have a turkey. Like we can't have okay, I'm gonna have the turkey, but then I'm gonna have the mashed potatoes, I'm gonna have the collard greens, I'm gonna have all of that on a plate, and then you just got a turkey.
But that's all I'm saying.
Minus the potatoes.
It's hard to minus that because it's so woven in.
Just think about the sauce and the
rice.
It's hard to do that because it's so woven in. I tried that. It's so woven in that you really can't. It's woven in. If they would have had it on
Nah,
one
man,
plate,
you taking the cop out.
nah, real shit though, right? Like if I say like, yo, I'm cooking the best turkey, and I give you one plate of turkey, and then he comes with a whole Thanksgiving meal, the Thanksgiving meal is always gonna be better.
Or maybe it's not.
You tasted,
You know what I'm saying?
you tasting 8 different things.
But that's all in his presentation,
So what about just the texture?
right? So
The-
that's what I'm saying. If a chef came and brought a chef from Nigeria, a chef from Ghana, and a chef from Senegal, it's the same, right? When they go on Chopped, they all get the same ingredients to make a meal. It might come out different, bro. What's the consistency? The rice. So that's what they're gonna judge on.
For sure, are you saying the Senegalese jollof is better?
I think the optionality of it, right? I can go hot, I can go mild, mix. I think in Ghana, it was mid, not like mid in terms of it was in between. The one that I had in Nigeria, mild, I'm sorry. In Nigeria, I felt like they had the hot that was kind of just cooked into it. It was like, oh, but it was separate. And I was like, oh, this is okay. This is different. It's the first time I'm having it. And this one, I feel like, I like the optionality. You ain't talk about the juice.
Juice is fire.
Nah, juice A1. Juice A1.
I have the picture. So when you talk about it, I got the picture of the tree and the actual fruit.
Juice from a tree.
Yeah, the
You ever
baba
had
tree.
juice from a tree before?